Yo, welcome back to the channel. This is the 85 C10 Squarebody Project we've been working on the last couple weeks, and it's about time we get the new wheel and tire set up on there. Let's check it out. Here it is. For wheels, I went with a wheel Vintiques 62 series, 15 by 10 for the rear, and a 15 by 8 for the front. For tires, Cobras, 295/50 on the rear, and a 235/60 for the front. And I also had to get a set of hub adapters. Join me at the back of the truck so I can explain. So the reason I had to get these hub adapters is because the only bolt pattern in stock for this exact wheel in a 15 by 10 was a 5 by 4 3/4. These trucks have a 5 by 5 bolt pattern. Since I am so impatient, I had to get an adapter that goes from a 5 by 5 hub to a 5 by 4 3/4 wheel. Now, I don't think this is going to be an issue because I was going to run spacers anyway, but I wasn't going to run a spacer this fat. This is a 1 1/4 spacer. So I hope it's not going to mess with the fitment that I'm going for. Let me throw the wheel on there and we'll see how it looks. It actually doesn't look too bad. It's like exactly flush with the body. Now, the tires might bubble out a little bit. We'll see. I mean, we'll never know until we get them mounted, but it's right there. It might look, yeah, I don't know. Only one way to find out though. So let's go get these tires mounted and I'll be back. We're back. I'm pretty happy with how these turned out. Now, we can't mount them just yet. I know it's tempting, but I still want to paint these black. So let's get them prepped for that. And of course, it's raining on the day that I want to paint outside. So it looks like the vet's going to have to sit this one out. All right, here's the setup. I'm going to start by doing the inside of the wheel first. Now, luckily, these wheels come primered, so we don't have to mess with that. We're just going to clean them. Got soapy water, clean them off, and then we'll mask it, and then we can shoot some paint on there. So a couple different ways to mask it off here. I was going to go with the note card trick where you stick it on the inside edge, but it wasn't working as well as I wanted it to, and then I had to fold them back over and tape them. So this was working better for me to just run the tape on the inside edge, so I'm probably going to do it this way on the rest of them. But we are ready to shoot some paint. If you've been around here before, you already know we got the wheelbarrow paint in satin. And here they are, good and dry now. I did give them a couple days just to make sure they were good to handle, but they're looking pretty good. Let's get them mounted up. And we'll torque them down and see how well this parking brake holds. Now for the front, I just made a last-minute decision to run spacers on the front. These came off of the back. These are just 1-inch spacers. Same process, a little bit of Loctite. Throw the wheel on. Yeah, this side's gonna need jacked up. All right, let's try that again. Now it does look a little goofy because it's still in the air. I'm a little apprehensive myself, but we'll never know till we get it on the ground. There you have it. The truck is finally off jack stands. Let's pull it outside so we can step back and admire. Woo-hoo. Man, that looks good. I'm gonna be honest, I was worried when it was up in the air on jack stands how much of a fender gap there was, but this is looking right. I am glad I put the spacers on the front though. It definitely needed them. And then as for the rear fitment, it is perfect. Is it just me or is the left side, the driver's side, stick out a bit further? And I think it does. So I don't know if that's a thing with the lowering kit or what, or just one of them things, but I'm not worried about it. Looking good. But if you think we're done, hold your horses. I got one more thing for you. We got some original dog dish hubcaps, 10.5 inch, and you'll notice I painted them red. They're normally yellow like this, but I painted them red to match the pinstripe I'm going to be putting on. So let's pop one of these on. Well, let's pop both of them on, see how they look. There's the hubcaps. If you're skeptical like I am a little bit, It's going to look a lot better once that red pinstripe is on there. But the cool thing about hubcaps is if I get tired of them down the road, I can just pop them off and go for a different look. I'm definitely liking how the truck is sitting now. But that is going to wrap it up for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of the new wheels and tires, and make sure you stick around. We got a couple more videos to make on the square body here, one of which being a full interior swap. And as always, we got the C5, we got the XJ. Going to start working on the CJ again here soon. But if you like this video, consider subscribing. Take it easy. See you in the next one.